Hey guys, great to see you. I do not have much time today, so I'm going to be showing you what to expect. This is the site of Strongholders. As you can see, we've made it our gateway to prosperity, which I love those words. And you can see, of course, total wealth stake, total BNB distributed, total wealth divs, a little bit global statistics. Gonna be changing the text a little bit because I don't have any funds to make a proof of liquidity token, because then I'm making a token and I cannot buy it myself. And also here you can see that this is tokenomics 10 million tokens, which means that it's going to be going up and down like crazy. But no worries, because there's going to be BNB dividends to all you guys in the Strongholds contract. It's going to be here. And I believe that this I can connect. Okay. Connect. You can see BNB in the wallet. Your share for stake, there's not live yet. So you can see it here. And if I'm going to go here. Oh, I thought it was also showing the WealthDivs, but we're going to be finding that somewhere else. We have the swap already live, like you can enter an amount and you can buy. But like I said, we don't have any liquidity or anything. So that's not, that's not functional. Let's continue with abundance, guys. We have grown very much lately. I'm going to be making a short Zoom explaining how it works. And of course, there's going to be a lot of updates in the meantime, but for today, it's going to be a quick one. As we got 8 minutes left, I see at the top. Why the need for abundance DeFi is increasing daily. We all have been promised the life for dreams many times. We have a drink box. The life for dreams many times, and it continues ending in a nightmare because companies, they just disappear. They just take the money and run, or they just don't deliver on any promise they make. So I needed that. The minimum of abundance is $2.50, which means that it's affordable no matter where you are. This is one of the things that I thought was important, because there's a lot of projects where people are able to make living, but then of course it's like $100 minimum. It's $200, $500, and I believe we just got to start how you can and then grow from there. One of the things is different about abundance is that I'm not just some hired clown. People call me a clown, and I can acknowledge that. And as you can see, I am not some hired actor. I got the WELL token tattooed. I got my name tattooed. I got crypto tattooed. And I make sure that the project that I work with is here to last a lifetime, as long as the Binance Smart Chain exists. We're going to go inter-chain and extra-chain and you name it, but it's going to be later. Okay, guys, the project is focused on helping others to succeed. Many projects, they're only showing you how to help yourself and you just go, 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 go. With abundance, I always tell people work together, grow with the team, because it's much more fun if you're doing it together. One of the things that I've also changed with abundance that I was missing in other projects is that many times the money was traveling up, the downlines was traveling up while you are working and not earning. With abundance, we have ensured that every 4th sign up you make is going to be placed under your 1st sign up. Every 8th is going to be placed under your 2nd, and every 100th is going to be placed under your 25th. This is that leaders are helping their people to grow. Your people are feeding you because you earn a commission. That way you are feeding your people too. Teamwork makes the dream work, guys. Oh, my webcam is different now. So as you can hear, I also got a lot of better microphone, I believe. So some of the things that sets us apart: we do not have a withdraw button. Everything is fully automated in the blockchain. We have our own token, which cannot be bought, but it is rising continuously because 20% of all income is buying the WELL token. The WELL token is not worth 1 cent in the moment, but we are on the rise and we are creating a lot of utility for it. We're going to be deploying the ecosystem, and in the ecosystem, you're able to exchange your wealth for 3 cents per wealth for doing tasks, which you can pay out 150 cents and the other, 150%. And the other 150% you can use for growing your own circle that you want, or you upgrade and then you can instantly pay it out again. You decide, we just provide. Okay, guys, the package, as you can see, for every cent you invest, you're going to be getting a WELL token. But like I said, that's not the only way to get WELL tokens. As soon as you upgrade, you're only paying the difference. So the maximum you can get from investing is 250,000 WELL tokens, and of course, 250,000 WELL tokens. Okay, and maximum $2,500. There is a small commission of WELL tokens on signups, and that is because the simple thing, we have only 250 million WELL tokens. For those that are calculating, that is 1,000 packages of $2,500. But as soon as we sell a $2,500 package, the price goes up like 10%. So there's going to be a lot of people along the way that's also going to be selling. And for this also, let's make a calculation. You have a $100 package. You're signing up somebody with a $100. It means that you're going to be getting 39 USDT in your wallet and also 500 WELL tokens. Let's say the WELL token is worth 3 cents. Then means that you're going to be getting an additional $15 on top of your 39% commission. 2 accounts per household are allowed, which means that you can earn 51% commission on every sign up you make, of course. What happens with the commission outside of the structure of packages? We use that to benefit the community. With many projects, it is always used to living la vida loca of the developer or the founder. But with Abundance, we use it to help our community, to grow the people. We use it for development. And I can show with the commission, with the transaction that I just showed, there was a person last week that made a sign up of $2,500 with the $10 account. So he had received a $3.90 commission, and otherwise he would have gotten a $975. We have helped the person to upgrade and gave him a little bit of a bonus, so Abundance was growing faster. The missed USDT is going back to the community, and we all benefit. So let's make it short, guys. You earn commission according to the package that you are on. There is no limit on how many people you can sign up. There's no limit on how much you can earn. Your account can never close. Your commission is instantly paid to your own wallet. There are a couple of the strong points. The project is working. It's paid off. It will not change. It cannot change. Or I have to like migrate again. It's not going to happen. But I can say that it cannot change. The WELL token amount that you're going to get is going to be the same in 5 years from now, in 10 years from now. We make sure that there's a lot more utility and the price is continuously rising. But the project itself is not going to change. This is our foundation. This is our rock. And from here we build upon. There's a lot more coming. I have finished this is the WELL token. I have finished the WealthDivs router. I have finished Strongholders. I have finished WealthDivs, but I've lost the screen here above. But at least there's progress. All our wallets are known and viewable. The marketing funds is all going to our developer. He's been building, and I'm being very grateful with him. So the last 2 months we finally earning. I'm sending it to him, and I'm saying, my man, keep building. And as you can see, he keeps building. And of course, we're going to create a safe haven for all. It's not just going to be Abundance DeFi. It's going to be Abundance, and from there on, 101 different projects that's going to be sustainable, that's going to be edited to make sure that there's no scam code, that is going to be, making sure that it's going to last and that is going to be having a good influence on the community. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I will answer. I will also select 2 leaders today in the Zoom for the prize winners. Let me open the chats. I think I'm going to be going for Sylvia, as that is a new name. And I think let's make Dinesh also win. So I can say, Sylvia, I'm going to be sending you my number. And from Dinesh, he's a warrior. I know he got my number. So I believe then I can stop the recording. And then we did like a speedy Zoom. I think it was like 10 minutes of recording. So guys, have a great day. And of course, I will talk to you later.